So if you have done work in while engineering, creating this UML diagram and flow chart in software engineering subject, you might be aware about this. Have you ever worked in Microsoft Visio and something, creating the flow charts, connecting the component?
So
Yes, I have.
actually, I worked in Proteus for hardware part.
Okay.
So there, like how to connect the devices and getting the graph, that thing I know.
Mhm. So this IoT thing graph is nothing but just connecting the component. It's an orchestration service. What do you mean by this orchestration? Orchestration means just creating a pipeline and to automate the flow. Like you connect several component, and that component, once you run the flow and all, this component will start acting. So when you make this IoT thing graph, for example, as this example is given here, like home security application we use, as I already given also before, like nowadays with the help of application you can see the recording, right? Like live recording you can see it, that if you install a camera on your home and by sitting in your office, you can see that with the help of this applications, right? Similarly, this how this thing happens and all, we will going to see it in IoT thing graph. We just connect the component. It's also a kind of showing you visually how you can connect the component. Like here they are saying home security application contain camera, door, window sensor, motion sensor, from this variety of sensor, means from this variety of different manufacturers, right? So how this different component they communicate with each other in order to make a complete flow, just like we seen yesterday, we create a channel, pipeline, data store, data set, then Jupyter notebook, and finally we will able to create from the channel to the notebook, right? So in the same way here also we'll connect several component, and we will make that connection between the component, so we can explain to the team like how the flow is working, how the things are connecting in this IoT thing graph. So just look into this IoT thing graph means just connecting the several component. There are different component they are available, so you are just designing the flow chart. Okay, flow chart in the sense like it's a drag and drop options here, means how the flow is working, how the connection is happening, how the data is going. Like you first build the flow, then you deploy the flow, and means you build the flow, you create this IoT graph, and then once you have a, and you can deploy it in a green grass core or IoT core, IoT green grass component or IoT core, you can deploy it. Build a flow in the sense, what do you mean by this? Build a flow means you will have a screen like this. Let me reduce it. You will once you go on this AWS IoT thing graph, you will see this kind of screen on your system. Okay, this screen means like you can see several component, right? And on the right hand side you see some device services logic. What do you mean by this? This devices means whatever devices we install in the IoT device, same thing you can drag and drop here on this platform, just like we do in a Microsoft Visio and ma'am, that you are talking about some hardware flow chart, right? So you drag it here, make a connection between them, like how the flow actually works, like a flow chart. And when you click on this publish and all, this will going to make a flow, and it will going to show you how actually it working. So it's completely drag and drop options. You need to drag the devices from here, like sensor, camera. There are different kind of sensors are here, different kind of device are there, and you just need to drag it, make a connection between them, and once you are done with this, you can publish it to save your flowchart that you created it, and once you can finally deploy it. This is the screen, you can see it here. This motion sensor, this raspberry pi camera button, humid sensor, humidifier, camera, floodlight, motion sensor, these all are the IoT based devices. you can make a connection between them and you can define it also. Like here you can see a clock trigger every 60 minute, it will going to trigger some clock. Then it will take the hour with some function. You will take the hour, how many time, suppose in hour, minute, second, you will take it here. Then you will perform some event. Then you will make a choice whether to accept the signal in the day or night, or based on this two event you will do light off and on. Can you just see on the screen?
Yes.
Yes. So what do you understand from here? Let me expand it. Or you can open on your system also if you unable to understand. Then just go to this IoT thing graph on your console and you can check it. So you can, let me expand it. Wait. Yes, now I increase it. Now I think you might be okay. This image is not getting expanded. Yeah, now it expanded. So you can see here, right? Our event, this is event means some timing. For example, suppose the security guard of any society, he has to on the motor for filling the water in the tank. So every morning 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock or suppose 5 o'clock, he just see the timing. If in his watch, if it is hour 5 a.m., he will do some event, he will record the timing on his register. Okay, 5 p.m. he on the motor. Then 5 p.m. in the morning or night, based on that we are making this automated. That base if it is day, then he will switch on, or he will off the motor. Or you can say, like, suppose if the tank get full, some trigger will going to generate, like he will get a message on his mail or his mobile that tank is get full. And it will going to then this he will going to off the motor or start the motor based on that. The yesterday we have seen that simple notification service, SNS, right? That is completely based on triggering the event. On certain event it will send a message either in the form of mail or either in the form of mobile chat message or like a SMS service, like that. So it is completely based on this. I have to think graph is like automating the things. So the first step is building the data flow. Building the flow means connecting the component by drag and drop. Means what are the component that you want to connect, what was your plan, like how it will going to work. First thing is this one. Second thing, you create a flow configuration. Flow configuration means you need to just tell whether you want to work on the cloud, means you want to run on this AWS cloud or that green grass component on your local system. And that you need to decide it. For green grass you need to means install some software on your local system. If you have a Linux, then we will going to see on the Linux how this green grass work. And if you can use this AWS cloud also to make this flow automated or to start configuration of this. And once you are configure it, you can click on this cloud formation, means on this cloud you want to configure. Then you use this, you need to like create a role for it. Metric configuration means this one, and this IoT green grass is this one, right? So when you use this green grass, then you need to configure or download this green grass on your local system. S3 bucket, this green grass group name, like this you need to do it on your local system. And once you are done with this, then you need to decide what are the hardware devices that you might need it. Camera, screen, sensor, this all thing you need to select it. And then once you click on this deploy, it will going to deploy on the cloud, whether in the green grass enabled devices from where it is getting the signal, or IoT core, or like on the cloud itself. So this is the flow of that. You can easily drag and drop and you can select it. So this is the flow of this. Now, can anyone share your screen so I can explain them how it works. I can show on my system also, but if you can share, then you will have on your system this configuration, so you remember. Any one of you want?
Deepti, you get it done?
No issues. I'll share my screen with you.
Yeah, okay. I'm making you host. 1 minute. Yeah, I stop sharing.
Uh,
Hi.
can you see
Yes.
my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Uh, Go to the console, sign in first. Yes. Now go to that yeah. Now search it there, thing graph. Okay. Click on the flow. Yeah, create flow. You give any title. Description if you want, then otherwise you optional part. So you click on this create flow. Yes. Now you can simply scroll, or you can see the device, scroll down. These are the different devices that is available, sensor and all. Services, click on the services. These are the different services that you might need it in order to do the configuration or in order to do some operation. And then click on the logic. So these are the logic. You means you want to make choice or you want to make a clock based thing, right? Last, as we have seen in the document, he was making choice if the time is day or night. So you can use this choice like an if condition. Now click on the devices. Just 1 minute.
Did we click on anything at this page?
Yeah, whatever
Oh,
based on your requirement you want to configure, you can select it. Yeah, you can select it, like suppose start taking from a clock trigger. Yeah, you can
First
see.
select the logic, or I
Yeah,
need
yeah,
to put logic.
yeah, yeah. I click on this logic.
So you said na device पे click करो Amit.
Yeah, devices is there, but
Hmm.
we are following. Okay, you
So
can
we
click on device.
from starting what we have to do, since we are in that library where device service and logic tab is there, then what we need to do next?
From device, you need to drag the devices.
Which
You
one?
anyone you can try it. We are just doing the demo, right? So you can
Okay.
select anything based on that. Suppose camera, you want to take it. Right now we
Okay.
don't have any hardware, right? So based on when we install this IoT graph, you can take it like camera. Now click on this camera
Hmm.
only.
Yes.
Double click. You can change the name also, like setup camera or whatever you want to give the name. You can change it. Not from the device name. Yes. Enter.
Do I need to publish it or enter? Enter से कुछ नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay, you just click outside. See, the name is changed, right? Now you can make a connection between the component. You can drag any other component. For example, sensor. Camera is connected with some sensor, suppose. So take any sensor.
Yeah, I have clicked on sensor, but it has dragged it for 4 5 times. So how to delete this extra?
Select it and delete it. Yeah, connect it. Now you can see at the end of this camera, one one dot kind of thing is there. Yeah, make a connection with this. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, are you able to do it?
I'm clicking, then every time it is
No, no,
putting new camera over there,
you
the
just
device.
yeah.
How to stop doing that?
Sorry, I can't understand what you said.
4 5 cameras has been dragged. I
Yeah, I'm
clicked
saying
one.
select it and press delete button.
That the moment I click, it is creating another one.
How it is possible? You can take it another one. Ma'am, select it first. Yeah, select this and just change the location. Change the location. No, no. Select this motion sensor demo. Yeah. Try to change the location. Drag it and make it before camera.
Fine.
Yes. Now try to connect the 2 points. No, first make the properly arrange them, na. Properly arrange them in some format, right? Yes. Take a head so that it can be visible and reduce the size. Select this icon and see whether you can reduce the size of box or what. No, not like in that way. No, okay. You can just expand it. Yes, yes. You click on fit to view. Click on that fit to view. You can see this option plus minus. Yes, click there. Yeah, now you can see it. It's coming, right? Okay, you click on this plus. So you need to zoom in. You need to zoom. Yeah. Okay. So this is it is visible, right? Now you reduce it. Reduce it. Reduce it. Reduce again so that you can add more component. Yes, now it's fine. Now you can add some more component, like if you want. See what are the options you are getting. Change the name of this motion sensor. This condition event. Click on this condition event. State change. Yeah, the identifier last event is short for event payload. Can be a simplify expression. Scroll down. Scroll down. Just control minus. Do control minus. Yeah. You can connect some other thing like there is one more sensor, I think. Just see it, motion sensor or some. Okay, you add screen. You add screen after this camera. Yeah, at the end you will see this screen. Yeah, this one. Take it at the back side. Yeah. Now connect this camera with the screen.
Ame, I'm not able to connect two devices. How come?
Just connect this two dot.
Okay.
Connect this two dot.
Still not able to do.
Just do as ma'am is doing. Are you doing in the same way? Have you taken the
Yes,
same?
I tried the same thing.
Ma'am, it's how can it possible? We are doing in here itself. Just connect this two dot, the small one.
How to like two dot are on opposite sides. So
Yeah, that's the reason. You have not taken the correct way. You need to drag it in a correct way. This in this way only. Wherever the two dots are in the same side, only then only it will connect. Just see how the ma'am is doing. In the
mhm.
same way, you need to do it. Otherwise,
But the moment I'm dragging that object, then they are in that direction. So how
what
to
is this
change their
event sledge you
direction?
have taken, ma'am?
Event.
This event sledge. I'm saying, Dipti, ma'am.
ये
What is
पता नहीं कैसे आ गया. आई एम ट्राइंग टू रिमूव दिस. ये कुछ बीच में कनेक्ट हो गया है. आई एम ट्राइंग टू डिलीट दिस.
right click on this?
राइट क्लिक से नहीं हो रहा ये.
Delete button.
डिलीट कोई डिलीट बटन का ऑप्शन मेरे आई थिंक ना बिटवीन दीज टू थिंग्स one more device has been connected or something.
Okay, okay, yeah, no issue then.
uh,
Just give a name event, maybe clock event. उसको
where
drag
is
करो.
it? कहाँ गया ये?
आप zoom in करके उसको करिए.
zoom, हाँ हाँ, zoom out करके करते हो.
हाँ, zoom out.
हम्म,
फिर भी yeah, वो आ गया.
आ गया.
हम्म.
Still I'm not able to do a math.
Okay, let her complete, then you see.
Sure.
Yeah, ma'am, can you just zoom in so I can see it? Not that much. Yes, yes. You reduce the connection between them. So yeah, it will get near, yes. Now you just click on this publish. This will be like you can learn this effectively when you have a like when you work in an organization, when you have a hardware device with you. At that time you can better visualize it or better imagine it, because at that time you can get a signal from hardware device, and this will be useful for that only, this thing graph and all. Now just click on this yeah event. Click on the event. You click on this event, I'm saying. Yeah. Click on this logic. Click on this logic. Yeah, take a clock. Yes. You add a screen in the clock. No, no. This screen you should add it after the clock. Yeah. You take that connection. Yes. Yes. Is it connecting? Okay, no. Okay. No, no. You need to take it in another way. Wait. Logic. Just click on this arrow. Do you see this arrow? Yeah. Yes. You click here. Give a description. Duration. You click. Frequency. Duration 10. Yes. Second 10. Action. Thing graph start flow. Okay. Um, you connect it with this screen. Okay, okay, wait a minute. Okay, you click on this logic. Again, you done. Click outside. Yeah. Yes. Take a choice. Take a choice. मैम ड्रैग करिए उसको. Yes. Now you connect with this clock. Take it in a left direction. Then you connect this choice with this screen recorder. Choice का but जो choice you connected with screen recorder means this one. This choice you connect with screen. I'm saying to connect choice with screen. Ma'am, just connect this dot with the dot. You don't need to drag it there. Yeah, take it ahead. Okay, it's not possible. Not doing. Okay. Okay, wait. No, it won't be possible. Okay, wait a minute. Let me check. Okay. mm, Okay, you just connect this choice at the end. Connect this choice at the end.
चॉइस को किसके साथ कनेक्ट करना है?
वही कह रहा हूँ मैम. कनेक्ट
हाँ,
चॉइस विद द एंड ऑफ स्क्रीन डेमो. ये आप पहले इसको ड्रैग
यहाँ से
कीजिए.
हटा दूं, फिर क्लॉक में का
हाँ,
डेमो
यस.
हटा दूं?
या just drag this choice at the end of the screen demo. Yeah. Now connect it. Yes. Now you click on this publish.
Publish.
Input and while parsing entity and please refer to online document. Okay. You delete this clock one because we are doing this only demo. Okay. Can you delete it? Can you press the delete button?
Where is the delete button?
Okay. You just edit definition document.
अच्छा, डिलीट हो गया, डिलीट हो गया.
Yes. Now you
हाँ,
just click on publish once again. Okay. Now you just remove this clock at the end. Yeah.
this one.
Select. Yeah. Delete it. Delete this event sledge also. Now try to publish. What is an error is coming? Please refer.
ये बीच वाला भी इवेंट्स लिस्ट रिमूव कर दूं क्या, जो कैमरा
Yes.
डेमो और हाँ?
You tried to delete that because we are doing just demo one. That's why.
मे बी उसकी वजह से वो कोई इवेंट.
Connect it with the dot.
ये क्या हो गया?
Hmm.
कैसे आ गया इवेंट्स लिस्ट?
Okay. Up just publish. Click on the publish. Okay. Why it's giving error? Okay, मैम. आप ये डिलीट कर दीजिए तीनों बटन मीन्स तीनों ऑप्शंस. या जस्ट डिलीट दिस. Keep only motion sensor and camera. Rest you delete it. Yes, try to publish now. Just wanted to check whether it's working or what. It's still giving error. input error and while passing entity. Okay, okay, you can take on just take the camera one, remove that another one. Yeah, now just click on this publish. ये क्यों error आ रहा है? Okay, 1 minute, let me check. Just 1 minute, I am checking on my system. Okay, can you just try to make from this document? Um, ma'am, can you just open the screen? Just IoT
Document
document. Yeah, document part. Can you try to make that one?
Spelling is wrong, Dipti. AWS.
Just search for IoT thing graph. If meeting get over, just join the same link again. Okay. Yeah, click on that. And don't search in the console like this. Open in this Google so that you will get the document there itself. Yeah, now you scroll down once you have opened it only. Yes, this diagram I was saying you, this one. Click on this cross, on this page cross one, it will get expand. Similarly, you cross this one also, AWS. Yeah, just try to make this one. Because we are getting an error while publishing because right now we don't have a like hardware devices connected. That's why it was giving error. Just see once what they have done and then based on that we will do it. Yes. um Clock name, you delete that one.